Chloe wants to fit in with her new friends, as we see it's being the highlight of the series. Yeah, she has made new friends with Booch and Jinx, and she wants to sustain that relationship, which seems to make her happy. But it seems to be difficult with her siblings, elder siblings around. They are the guardians of Chloe, Phoebe, and Max, but seems like they are the immature ones, as the duo has all the energy in the world to fight with each other, and that never seems to disappoint. The fight starts at the beginning of the episode only, as Max gets a cover job for both of them, and seems like Max has modified the resume of Phoebe, which lands her into getting the job, cover job as an art teacher, which Phoebe is not good at. And what happens is that Phoebe comes to know that her resume has been modified by Max, saying that she has gone to prison for 2 years, which made her land up at the job of being an art teacher. And she gets more disappointed when she hears Max getting the role of vice principal, as he seemed to have modified his resume as being knighted by the Queen of England herself. Max, being the vice principal, is having all the fun as he orders Phoebe to wipe the floor of the school as a replacement for the school's janitor who has been missing. But in the second half of the episode, Phoebe does manage to get the revenge back as she makes Max busy with students and their parents, which Max cannot handle it. Max even damages his phone in the process, which makes him very annoyed that he tries to damage Phoebe's phone too. Ultimately, they manage to damage the mascot head designed by Chloe, Jinx, and Booch. We see Chloe knew this from the start of the episode that the duo will ruin her relationship with her friends and pleads them not to do so, but somehow they end up doing it. It seems Chloe really wants to enjoy with her friends to win the competition of mascot, which Booch and Jinx failed the previous year miserably. The trio nearly sees the same repeat of failure at the mascot competition until Max and Phoebe comes to rescue, bringing back their mascot head, which is used by Jinx to perform. The trio wins the competition with help of telekinesis of Max and Phoebe, which they had to use as the mascot head didn't have eyes. In this episode, Captain Colosso is the hero as he is the one who designed the new mascot head after Max and Phoebe destroyed the original one, although he had reasons to help as he wanted something from Max. And we see Chloe is also really growing up and seems like she's the mature one out of the three. Evidence being she nearly grounded the two of them when the duo was fighting with each other.